Hey everyone, Mr. Rojas here to help you out today with putting together your instrument. Today we're talking about the bell kit for our bells and drums students. Inside of your bell kit, you will find a set of bells. You will also find a pouch over here, a drum pad. You will find some drumsticks, some mallets for your bells, and then you will also find your hardware to put your bells and drums together. In your bell kit, you'll have two different pieces. We're gonna first grab this piece here, which is our feet. You'll see that it's our feet because there's 3 spots down here for it to rest on. So we're gonna make sure we loosen up these screws here. We're gonna open the feet up just a little bit, about, I'd say, halfway there. Tighten that screw back up. And we're gonna put that back down on the ground or on a table. We are next going to grab our top piece. That's gonna go right in the hole up here. We're gonna loosen this screw first over here. We're gonna make sure it goes in, and then we're gonna tighten that screw up once more, okay? Now, depending on how tall you are, you can adjust the height of this going up or down. For now, we're gonna keep it low. Next, depending on the instrument that you're playing, whether it be the drum pad, you're gonna use this little top screw up here. With the top screw right here, you're gonna see that there's a small screw right here as well for you to put. You're gonna go ahead and line those screws up together and go ahead and just start spinning all the way until it stops. Once it stops there, that's how you know that your drum pad is nice and secure, and you can go ahead and start playing on your drum pad. To remove it, you just do the opposite. You go ahead and you twist the opposite way until it comes undone, just like that. When you're playing the bells, it's a little bit different now. You'll see these arms right here that we have that you're gonna have to loosen up. There should be a screw right here that you're gonna loosen, and you're gonna move each arm all the way up this way until it stops. You're then gonna tighten that screw back up again, and then you're gonna see here, almost like an X, it should look like. You'll see over here that this part of the X is smaller and this part of the X is wider. You're gonna go ahead and put that down just like this. We are then going to grab our bells and we're going to rest them on these legs. Now, if you have this small middle spike again, the screw again over here, you're gonna line it up with whatever little hole you might have in the middle of your bells. You're gonna go ahead and find that hole. Make sure the feet are resting right on the instrument. And there you go. You grab your mallets and you're good to go. To put it away, all you do is just the opposite. You grab the bells up, you put it back into your case. You then grab your arms, you loosen that screw down there to push the arms back down. You're then going to loosen up the screws for the bottom base so it comes right off again. And you're going to close the legs by loosening the screw and pushing back up on the legs. And you're gonna close just like this. Once your hardware is all packed up, you're gonna go ahead and put everything back into your bag right where it goes. So for example, our drum pad is gonna go back in its pouch right here. We're gonna close that up. We're gonna grab our 2 pieces here. Sometimes I like to use the small piece, not the feet, because those are bigger. I put the small piece in first, and then I put the big feet piece on top, right where it goes. Once you're done with this, you go ahead and you close the flap again, and you zipper it all back up once more until it's all zippered up. And that's it. I hope this video helped you to put your instrument together. So now try it on your own, and if you need help, go back and rewatch the video and try to figure out where you're having a hard time with. If you still have some hard times putting it together, don't be afraid to send me an email or message me as well too, or leave a comment below, and I can try my best to help you out. Until next time, let's go band.